Hello, and welcome to Cindy's Corner. We're going to draw a cat today. And if you hear a dog barking, I'm dog sitting. And it barks sometimes when somebody goes by. So, kind of appropriate for a dog to bark while I'm drawing a cat. All right, so get your paper, and we're going to make our paper go vertical. Vertical is up and down. We're going to do a vertical picture of a cat. Okay, so we're going to start about right here in the middle, and you're going to use your pencil, okay? And then you will outline it and trace it with your permanent marker, with your Sharpie. But you're going to use your pencil first, and I'm going to draw a erase board so you know I can just wipe mine off. All right, so we're going to start about in the middle, and we're going to make it kind of come out toward the end and come around and back up about even so. I'm going to make it kind of come down and out. Okay? Now, when you do that, we are going to take right here and we're going to make a rectangle. We're just going to make a rectangle. What do you think that might be? The collar. It's going to be the collar. All right, and from that collar, we're going to start right here, and we're going to make a circle. Come right there. Okay, so make your circle. And then from your circle, we're going to come right on top, and we're going to make a triangle. And we're going to put another triangle inside. We're going to come over here and do the same thing, about the same size. Make them about the same size. All right, now we're going to go inside, and we're going to make another circle and another circle, once again, about the same size. And we're going to make a little circle on the inside. And you can color that one in with your pencil. That way you know you can color it in with your black Sharpie. All right, now this one's fun. We're going to make its nose. And now for the nose, we are going to start here. And we're going to make kind of an upside down heart. Okay? Make an upside down heart. And then we're going to come from the middle, and we're going to make a whisker come out. And a whisk, maybe a mouth, and make it twirl around. Okay? Like that. Now then, we need a tail. So we're going to come right over here on the side. We're going to kind of go up at a rectangle and make it curve and come back down beside it. Not very big. Now then, we're going to come in the middle here. And we're going to come down kind of at an angle. And we're going to curve it up. Now we're going to come right here where that curve is, and we're going to come to the other side and come down and curve that one up. And then we're going to come here in the middle and make two lines for its paws. Okay, now we've got to make its other feet. So you're going to come down here, make like a smiley face. And another smile. And we got to put our little toes in there. Two lines. You like that? Come here. And you like that? Do we have everything? Okay, we're going to do a little detail. And you're just going to make little lines so it looks like it's furry. Okay? So just kind of make little lines. They don't have to be real close together or real far apart. Take your time. Make little lines. I can't put my finger in there. Come here, Huck. And we got to make some up here at the top. And we need to make a couple around his ears. Just small ones. Then we've got to make them around his legs, his tail. You're going to go all around its body. Not very big. Oops. Around its tail. Just so it looks like it has a little fur on it. Now, if you want to, at the end, make this a portrait, you'll color the background. Now, if you're on white paper, you can leave it white if you want a white cat. If you want one that matches our story, we had a blue cat and a green cat, a purple cat, a rainbow cat. Yeah. So you could make those if you'd like, to color it whatever color you'd like. Just make sure you're doing your pencil. And then when you trace, you have to trace very carefully and staying on the lines. All right, and you want to go ahead and do some fur on his legs. Just so it kind of looks like it's a little furry. If you want to leave it white, you can do that. You can give it a title, My Cat. And we need to make it some grass. So I'm going to change. I hope you can see the green. I'm going to make a green grass down here. And I'm just going to kind of make it down in his feet right here. Just cut a squiggly line. And then you can color it in. And I'm going to make a couple flowers stick up. Give them some blooms in a minute. Now you're going to do this with your pencil first. And then you can go back and you trace very gently with your Sharpie. Okay, then I'm going to fill that in. And then I'm going to do yellow flowers. Can you see that okay? I'm just going to make a little squiggly lines come around, in and out. Color it in. And remember, when you color in, little strokes for little folks. I'll leave mine white since it's on a board. If you choose to color yours in, that's fine. If you have white paper and you don't want to, you can go ahead and get a pink or whatever color you want to do its collar. I think I'm going to do the collar blue. Just because. And remember, when you use your marker, little strokes. It takes a long time to use your marker and your permanent marker to trace. So take your time staying on the lines and trace very good. Trace. Easy trace, little strokes for little folks. And after you fill it all up, because you don't want to leave any of the white if you've colored the collar blue, because it's a blue collar. My little blue kind of, okay. Now I'm going to take and I'm going to color its nose. I don't have a pink, so I'm going to do it red. I'm going to color its nose. I can use a red. If you're using colored pencils, you can use a red, but just don't mash very hard, because if you mash hard, it makes it more bold. If you do it very lightly, it will be a pale color, not as dark. And when you get your permanent marker, your Sharpie, the first thing you need to do is autograph it. Love to autograph. So make sure you autograph it. Title's My Cat. And then take your time. If you want to color, if you've got manila paper, you want to color your cat white, go ahead and do that. If you want to color your cat one of the colors that was in our story, you can do that. I'm going to color the inside of his ears right here. It's kind of a pink. I'm going to use a red and just do it very lightly. Okay. I hope you enjoyed drawing your cat, and share them with me so that I can see your drawing. And if you like to draw, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Give us a thumbs up so that I know you want to draw more. Have a great day. Give somebody a hug and tell them you love them. Isn't that right, Huck? Huck's got his leg on me. Y'all want to see Huck? Here's Huck. Here's Huck. There we go. Have a great day. Give somebody a hug and tell them you love them.